Hey, let me show you the most advanced tutorial for lock screen customization on the Samsung S26 Ultra. First of all, we are not going to open the default settings. We'll get something additional. Go for the Galaxy Store for the first. Click on the applications. Click on the right upper corner and search for Good Luck application. That's how it actually looks. You will have to install it, download and install on your phone. Now we have to open this one. Just wait for the loading, and now we are looking for clock face, for LockStar and the clock face plugin. We have to download those two plugins, and do not open them right now. We can just close them. Now we have to go for the settings, then go for the wallpaper and style, and they will be already here. So to adjust the lock screen, we have to click on it. Now take a look. First of all, let's start from the left upper corner. So here we can quickly change wallpaper. You're going to find default wallpapers. You can find AI wallpapers or some wallpaper services, but also we can set a video wallpaper by clicking just over here if you have some videos on your phone. So this is something that you cannot do on the home screen. On the home screen, of course, in my case, I have this, but it's not as default. It's the TikTok extension. But on the lock screen, you can as default set a video wallpaper from your gallery. But let's go for the next options. First of all, take a look. When you click on the clock, you're going to find the styles. And to this part, to this one, you can find the default one with limited size and position. But when you keep scrolling here, you're going to find much more styles. And you can even make them super big, and you can even shade. You can even put them over here at the bottom or in the middle of your screen. It's something that you cannot do with the default options. For example, let's place it here. Now when you tap on it one more time, you can show the weather information, but only for the default styles. So for example, this one. So the weather will be visible. For example, over here, take a look. But for me, I'm just gonna go for the previous one because it fits my preferences. There we go. And as you can see over here, we can change the color of the clock, but also not for every clock style. In this case, we cannot do that. And now take a look, we can just click outside. Here we can add widgets, but they are like super small. Of course, they are still useful, but they are small. So if you want to get bigger widgets, you can do this also by using this LockStar Plugin. Click on the app widgets and take a look. Click here, pick any app, any widget that you want, and you can just put it straight on your lock screen, like with home screen. Like literally you can get home screen features on your lock screen. And if you want to remove any of the widget, you have to click and hold it and drag to the recycle bin icon and release. What you can also do here, we can even add applications shortcuts. So of course, you can still add them by clicking plus on the left or the right bottom shortcut. For example, we can add Instagram here, but by selecting that option, then we can add favorite apps and more than 2. We can change style, for example this one, and take a look. Now we can get to the YouTube. We are gonna remove them. Chrome, contacts, Gmail, we can got 2, 4, 6 applications. Now we have to click done. Wait a minute, where it is? Okay, it's here, but I just probably do not confirm yet. So we have to confirm here by clicking apply. And now as you can see, we can add those apps wherever we want. Next option, we can add stickers. Yeah, we can even add stickers to the lock screen, but it's nothing really useful, just some decoration stuff. Then we can add a custom text. Hello or bello, whatever. We can still customize this text. If you want, you can place it wherever you want, or literally wherever. For example, here. What you can also do, we can change the lock screen timeout. So 5 minutes or default. We can also change the unlock animation. Yeah. So take a look. Can change animation time. Speed, for example, wave. When you go back, okay, we have to click down to apply. And now we should get right. Yeah, take a look. We got the unlock animation. So that's pretty cool. But of course, let's go back and still customize it because that's not everything. So I just told you how to do that. But here on the left bottom corner, we can change shortcuts, or we can completely remove them. So that's up to your preferences. But for me, in my opinion, the flashlight will be really useful. So the flashlight we can find here, and also for me, the camera shortcut. There we go. And now you can also set this live wallpaper. For me, it will be from a TikTok. And now if you change everything, you will have to click done. I hope you find that video useful.